Welcome back viewers. In the course as we have created these folders for this project in previous lecture. So now I have just added two images to the images folder here. I click, you can see there's two images, logo.png and image.png, which I have used in this layout. So you can see here this image and this one. So we will use these two images in the layout, and I have done nothing else rather than adding these two images. So these are folders we have created for the project, but these are also called directories in web development and web designing. So you can call them directories as well. Now Notepad++ is open here, so we need to start practically work on this project, and we'll create the index page for this project right now. So just we'll start with the HTML5 extension, which is doc type HTML. So as we are creating this whole project in HTML5 and CSS3, I mean the layout for this project, this layout I'm talking about. So just let's start HTML with the HTML tag, and then the head tag, and then the title, and the title will be social network or my social network, and I'll close the title tag, then the head tag, and from here I will start body tag, and I will close body tag as well as HTML tag. So this is the simplest and basic structure of HTML document. Inside the body tag and inside the head tags we will put all the scripts in different kind of codes. So first of all we need to save this file. You can save it by going to file menu and save, or you can press Ctrl S from your keyboard. We'll just save it inside the htdocs. We have the htdocs folder, which is our root folder. So there we have a folder social_network specially for this project. So we will just go there and we'll save this file with the name index.php. So the index.php file will be the default file for this social_network folder, because the browser actually picks up the index file automatically, whether it is index.php or index.html. That file is considered the default file of that directory. If that does not exist, then the browser will show all the other files inside that folder in a list. So I will save it. Save. This is done now. Ctrl S to save. Now we can just access it by going to right localhost and then social_network and then click. So this is the index file. The browser has detected the index file, and that is now in front of you. If you want to check something like if you want to make sure it is working properly, then we'll add an h2 tag, HTML h1 tag, sorry, and we'll write just hello earth. So this hello earth text should come on the page. Press it and you can see hello earth, and basically this is our index file. Now right now this is just a basic and nothing is there special, so we will work on this, so we will make it better in the next few lectures. Now this is done. Now we will create another file with using Ctrl N from our keyboard, and this will be basically our CSS file, our style sheet file. So we'll say Ctrl S to save this file inside the styles folder. Inside the style folder we'll save it with the name style.css. so this will be the main styling or CSS file for for styling this layout. So for example, first of all we'll just include this style.css file in the main index page, and after that we can do something. For example, we use link tag for this, for including any CSS style sheet, and then we use some attributes like rel is for relationship, which is style sheet, and then href hypertext reference, I mean the path of the file, which is styles folder, and then backslash that style.css. That's it. In media, I mean the devices, we want this for all devices to apply basically. So that's it. We included that. Now if we write something to check or to test, so we'll write body as a default selector in CSS, I mean HTML tag, default HTML tag. So we'll say background dash color should be blue. So Control S to save. Now let's check the browser. You can see that's blue, so it means the CSS file is connected now with successfully with this page, index.php. So we can now just go and start implementing CSS styles and adding content to this page, so we can make it same like this one. So guys, this was a simple thing to create these two pages. You can see here the index page is now existing in our project folder, and also we have the style.css file inside the styles folder. So that's done. So I will see you in the next lecture with just making this simple blank page like this.